Hello dear students, I am Dr. M.L. Kalal, lecturer in English, Government Maharaval Senior Secondary School, Dungarpur. Dear students, as you know, due to Corona pandemic and lockdown, your paper of English Literature class 12 has been postponed by Secondary Education Board Rajasthan Ajmer. That's why I have again prepared a model paper for you for practice. Dear students, in this model paper, I have tried my best to give you important questions. We all know that the question paper has been divided into 6 sections. Section A, reading. In this section, you will have 5 questions and question number 1 to 5. Question number 1 is of 2 marks, second is of 1 mark. Likewise, question number 1 to 5. These questions you are to attempt from a comprehension passage, comprehension answering passage. First, read all the 5 questions and then answer these questions. You have practiced a lot. I think that you will be able to do this question. Now, question number 6 to 10. Question number 6 to 10. Here you will have an unseen poem. Again you will have 5 questions. First, go through these questions and then you also read later on you read the poem. You will automatically find the answers from the poem, and again there is no problem for you since we have practiced these unseen poems also throughout the session. Now we are moving towards section B. In section B, we have 2 questions. Question 11. Write an essay in about 150 to 200 words on any one of the following topics. Again, I have given you 2 important topics. Importance of school education, pollution crisis in urban areas. Likewise, in examination, you will be given 2 topics and you are to attempt 1 question. This question carries 8 marks. Question number 12. Question number 12. Dear students, we have 3 topics for this question: speech writing, report writing, and article writing. Out of 3 topics, you will be given only 2 questions, and between 2, you are to attempt only 1 question, and this question carries 7 marks. Now we are moving towards very important section, section C, that is grammar part, and grammar part covers 10 marks. These 10 marks are very important for you. Question number 13 to 17. We have 5 questions, and in each question there is an error. You are to find out the error and then you are to make correction. Like, see, actor Irfan Khan died with cancer. Here the preposition with doesn't suit. We should use of instead of with preposition, in place of with preposition. Likewise, you can do all these 5 questions. Question number 18 to 22. Transform the following sentence in indirect speech. Indirect speech is very easy question. Here, question number 18 to 22, 5 questions we have. These 5 marks you can get very easily since direct and indirect speeches you have been practicing since your 9th class, I think. So you can attempt these questions also. Now you are moving towards section D, literary terms. In literary terms, you see, you have 4 literary terms. Out of 4, you are to attempt only 2 literary terms, and each literary term is of 3 marks. Then we are moving towards section E, text. Dear students, we have 2 textbooks, Prudence and inside the Haveli. Prudence, the book Prudence covers 24 marks. Here in Prudence we have poetry section, we have drama text, we have fiction and non-fiction chapters. Dear students, in question number 24, you have 3 questions, and out of 3, you are to attempt only 2 questions. And each question is of 6 marks. That's why your answer should be very proper, and you should try to write these questions very properly, since each question carries 6 marks. Now we are moving towards question number 25. Again you have 5 questions. You have choice here. You have choice. Here also you have choice. Out of 5 you are to attempt only 4 questions, and each question is of 3 marks. Now we are moving next section, section F. Section F is of fiction part, and these 2 questions you are being asked from your novel book Inside the Haveli. Question 26, you have a choice. Out of 2 you are to attempt 1 question, and this question is of 4 marks. And last question, only 1 question is there, no choice at all. You are to attempt the same question. This question carries 6 marks. Likewise, question number 1 to 27. Again, I have chosen good, important questions for you. You should attempt this model paper at home also. I am sure that after attempting this model paper, you will have more confidence, and at last, I again wish you good luck for your this paper of English literature. Thank you.